Stock's still lower early in today's trading session. The Nasdaq off about 1%. One stock that is higher, however, after its earnings last night, that is Peloton. Shares here are up about 3%. Brian Sozzi, this has been a big pandemic winner, and I think culturally perhaps defines this period as much as any business does. Probably Peloton and Zoom, right? If you want to throw two darts at it there. You talked to the company's founder earlier today about the quarter. What was their takeaway? Because a lot of interesting trends happened as I kind of looked at the shareholder letter.
Right, Miles. I do want to tick through quickly why the stock was initially down, though. Some concerns on the street. The average monthly workouts ticked down sequentially versus the prior quarter. They also did not beat connected fitness expectations, the number of subscribers in the quarter. And there is some concern now, too. Will growth slow moving forward as they cycle some of these COVID-19 demand pickups? And to your point, I talked to Peloton founder John Foley. He's remaining upbeat. He said a lot of the trends in the business remain very strong, and they're now working through the backlog in their business. It's going to take some time. He said a couple months before they started to finally able to ramp up their production of these bikes to meet the crush in demand they've seen.
You know, something, Sozzi, that is interesting about that hasn't really been brought up as much with Peloton that has bedeviled many, many fitness companies through the ages. It's attrition. It's people sticking to their fitness routines. This hasn't, because Peloton's growing so quickly, but once it hits a saturation point, you have to wonder, are people going to keep the bikes? Are they going to keep that subscription revenue up, or are they going to fall off their fitness routines?
Well, Foley has put a big number out to me before, just a couple months ago. His goal is to reach 100 million subscribers. They have a long ways to go before they hit that number. But for him going forward, I wouldn't be surprised to see the company make an acquisition. I asked him what he's going to do with his $2 billion in cash. He did not say they're going to make an acquisition, but I wouldn't be surprised if they make something in the strength category.